Did you miss out in all the activities, the events, the gist, the amebo that was happening online during the week because of one thing or the other? Or you didn't get the full gist? Don't worry, you didn't miss out so much because nothing really happened. Aside from the fact that onions was trending, SWAT, not SWAT, SWAT has started training. We are owing 38 trillion naira as a country, and we are still hoping to borrow from Brazil and other countries. And then the fact that one young man said he wants refund from church for the offering he has been paying since 1998 till date. Well, you didn't miss out so much. You're welcome to this week's episode of the Weekly Update brought to you by Gist or Gist. I'm Onitizi and I'm here to give you all the gist that happened during the week. Remember to like and subscribe on this channel because we love to give you great gist and we want you to get it ASAP, as soon as possible. So like I said earlier, a lot happened online. Well, not so much really, because I said SWAT has started training. You need to see that training. You will know that if they catch you for road, you're on your own. I'm very sorry. So SWAT has started. I don't know why I'm calling it SWAT. It's supposed to be SWAT, but they said when they were doing that training, they were shouting, "You never see SWAT." So I guess that's where I got it from. And then our finance minister said by 2021 we'll be owing over 38 trillion. Madu, who go pay? Well, in case you don't know, you are owing money as a Nigerian, start gathering yourself. In case they want to sell the country, be ready to work as a factory worker or in a factory in China, somewhere like that. Well, Nigeria, God help us. Buhari has come back from a medical leave that he went. I didn't even know he went to a medical, but he is back. Thank God our president is back. Well, when I thought I'd seen it all on social media, a particular Kenyan man came out and said that the church had been collecting money from him since 1998 to 2017, that he wants refund because they were always telling him that he will go to hell if he does not pay. So it was forceful, they were manipulating him, so he wants to get his money back. So he wrote an official letter. I can't wait to this country. In short, our trend list is always making me smile. Well, aside from that, I'm trying to rush it up so that you will get all the gist. Onions is obviously expensive, and we made a whole trend list about onions. Trust Nigerians. Now, if you see 100 naira onions now, you know that our country is only God that can help us. So moving on to entertainment in full, a lot of people did birthdays during the week. Toke Makinwa's birthday was during the week. She was celebrating her 36-year-old birthday and she flooded our timelines with a lot of pictures. Happy birthday, Toke. Aside from Toke, Abimbola Greg from, Skinny Girls in Transit here, you know her. She celebrated her birthday too. It was really lovely. And then the one that really broke the internet was Dorothy's birthday. Dorothy with the full chest, because a lot of drama. You know how Big Brother Nigeria people have a way of always bringing up events from whatever thing they do. So Dorothy had a birthday party and a lot of BB Nigeria people came around, both from X, the Pepper Them Ground, and the lockdown. They all came together, and then there was a viral video of Laycon looking at Erica for a very long time, and then the fan war started. They're saying one thing, you know how fans are always twisting and turning things around, and then that one trended, and then the one that finished us was when the fans of Dorothy gave her a Benz, a brand new mess. In short, the nylon was still there. Like, please, where are my fans? Wherever you are, God will locate you. Please remember, I'm not asking for a Benz, Picanto. I need small thing that can move from one place to another. Please buy for me. So Dorothy got a brand new Benz and she got 25 shoes. You need to see how lovely that was. Well, I still wear shoes, and my name is not Dorothy, but you guys can get me gifts. So Dorothy did her birthday and it was also trending and it was beautiful. So another person that broke the internet was Tiwa Savage. She actually gave us some mini nudes, black and white, and then we could see some ass, and everybody was like, well, she got some bashes from some people that were saying she's old woman and she's still trying to form young, but we don't care. She was flaunting it and it was looking very lovely. Then for the music people, a lot of albums were out. Laycon's remix of Nobody is still trending. Made in Lagos by Wizkid, still up and popping. Like, I'm still dancing to the vibe. Then a lot of the Ole song, Ole was out by Tiwa Savage and Naira Marley, and then Simply Thatcher was featured also in the video, so you actually made a lot of rounds. So Mercy Eke and Ike has been doing some breakup stunts that I can't even relate with. I don't know, they've been pushing out the agenda that they've broken up, and now she is now Mrs. H. Mrs. H. Okay, who is Mr. H? We don't know. We are still trying to find out what is really happening. Is this a publicity stunt? Are they trying to get attention, or is this for real, for real? But we're sitting back to enjoy all that. So during the week also, there was Halloween. You know, people, celebrities, foreign celebrities came out with a lot of costumes. There were a lot of costumes, trust me. So I'm just going to give you a few tips of people that actually broke. Cardi B broke the internet. She and her husband, they broke the internet. Kim Kardashian always killing it with her lovely photos with her family. It was all lovely for us to see. And then speaking of Cardi B, you know, she sang a song and said, I don't clean, I don't cook. Well, you know, she's the queen that don't, but she got the ring. But well, it was upwards and opposites actually. We actually saw her because Offset videoed her cleaning, and he called her a liar. Yeah. So people that have been following Cardi B and thinking that she does not cook and clean, well, sorry for you. To break your bubble, she does exactly that. So that is a lot of entertainment for us during the week. So guys, I have more gist, but I have to cut it short so that you can fill me in on what I missed. So for whatever you think I missed, some gist that I did not really say, please comment section, please tell me what it is that happened during the week that you didn't hear in this video. But I think these are some of the major things that happened. So in case the ones you didn't hear in the video, please indicate below so that I can see it, and then you can also help people that are not aware get aware about it. This is still Weekend Update, brought to you by Gist on Gist. Remember to like and subscribe on this channel. I love you guys so much. See you guys next week.